Hey Pisces, it's Stef here, Evening Skies Reflections. How's everybody doing? I missed you guys. I missed everybody so much. Thank you for supporting my channel and being here. Today I'm going to do the Crow spread from the Crow Tarot for the Zodiacs. And please take what resonates. If it doesn't fit your situation, then it doesn't. If you do your own cards, you can use your intuition on the spread and what it means to you. You know what I mean? Not just what I say. Go off of what you're feeling as well. Alright, so Pisces, while I was sitting in your energy, I felt a rebel energy, like swimming against going against the current, rebel, like somebody tells you to do it this way, you're going to do it this way, blah blah blah. And also I saw a dog. I don't know what that represents, loyalty, or somebody has a dog that, I don't know what that, I just saw a dog. So to me, dog is like loyalty to someone or something. Alright, so your first card is your heart energy and your inner self. It serves as a foundation for your present energy. It sits in the background. Okay, so let's see what we got. Pisces. And also Pisces, when I was sitting in your energy, I kept thinking of Scorpio. So I don't know if you have Scorpio placements, or if you need to listen to the Scorpio reading, or you're dealing with a Scorpio. I don't know. But in my brain, I kept seeing Scorpio when I was holding your card, Pisces. Okay. I'm telling you, I shuffled these cards left and right. Judgment, again, it's come out in a few zodiacs. I don't know why it keeps coming out. A lot of people must be being called to come into their power, come into what they're supposed to be doing. You're resisting it, is what I'm feeling. You're resisting the calling. Judgment, you know, to me, judgment is a two-edged sword, because, you know, I grew up church, so judgment. And then I grew up spiritual because my mom didn't go to church, but I went to church with my friends. Anyways, to me, judgment is like waking you up. It's waking you up from, not the dead, but waking your inner self up from sleeping, bringing you up out of that. That's what judgment is to me on the tarot. I don't always go with the meanings in the book. I just go with how I feel. This is your present energy surrounding, creates the mood and creates the atmosphere for future events to emerge. We have death. So you have to release something. Something has to die to, wow. Judgment and death. This is crazy, Pisces. This is crazy. Because you see in the card, he's raising the crows from the dead, bringing them up. I say waking them up. And then when you see in the death card, my lighting sucks right now. It's rising up. The soul is rising up. You're going through some kind of transformation right now. Heavy emphasis on transformation. Because the last card is the Hangman. So that's telling me that, yeah, you're definitely, ooh-wee, Pisces. I usually don't get heavy readings from you like this, but this is heavy. Let's see what else we have. Energy that may be holding you back or helping you. 10 of Wands. Dropping the burdens. Stop. You're not going to be... You're ending the cycle. Yeah, look at this. You're ending the cycle of whatever you've been carrying. You're releasing it. You're going to drop it and move on. Wow, that's some heavy lifting. No wonder you feel rebellious. This energy lurks in your subconscious and can be a saboteur. It is a manifestation of your hopes or fears. Working on something religiously. Maybe you're working too hard. Keeping your head down on the grindstone. Wow. Sometimes that can be a hindrance. Sometimes that can be... I don't feel this is self-sabotage. I feel like you're working hard to release stuff. That's what I feel. Releasing your fears. That's what I'm feeling right now. The 5th card is grounding energy or advice. Wow. Ace of Wands. A new start, a new beginning. See? Oh my gosh, Pisces, look. You got death here, judgment, pentacles. But you're dropping all these burdens. You're ending this cycle, whatever's been holding you back, and you're moving to the beginning. You're with passion, with exhilarance and abundance. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow, Pisces, you are doing things your way. You're doing things your way. This is what's grounding you. This is the advice to resolve any negative habits or limiting beliefs. Any negative habits or limiting beliefs, you're going to release them. No doubt. Death, 10 of Wands, judgment, you're going to release it. Lessons from the past. Page of Pentacles. This experience serves as a reminder and offers advice for your current situation. So to me, the Page of Pentacles is learning something new. A young, kind of immature. So maybe you have to look at something in your younger self to see where you went off the road to where you ended up carrying all these burdens, so you don't do it again. And then this can be an opening or an obstacle. Wow. It's an opening. The Star. The Star. It's definitely an opening. It's your wishes, your manifestations coming to fruition. It's your hopes, your dreams, and you're doing that. You're working towards that, and you are releasing whatever this you started carrying in your younger days from the past. You're dropping that to carry out your hopes and your dreams. And you're really working hard towards it. And then up here, it's the possible future outcome. You are looking at things differently. You're not looking at things as this young, immature energy. You're looking at things with a mature energy, with growth. And you got the Empress under that. Empress is abundance. Wow. Wow, 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 Pisces. That is interesting. Let me pull an oracle card to go with this spread. Maybe it'll give you more clarity, but this is right to the point. There's really nothing else I can say that I'm feeling, but I feel like, yeah, you're on your way. You're working hard to make this dream come true. You're doing the work and releasing the burdens from the past, calling judgment on yourself and rebirthing something that you have wanted to do for a long time. You're seeing things differently now. Colors look different, everything looks different to you. You're seeing through people, I feel, with that Empress. Alright, let's see what this oracle has to say. What else can you tell us for Pisces? Now I know where the rebellion's coming from and the swimming against the current, because you are fighting some old shit. You're releasing some old stuff. But hats off to you, because you're getting it. You're getting it done. Don't try to rush yourself, though. We got TikTok here. To me, this always reminds me of divine timing. It's going to happen when it happens. You can't force it, but it is your time. Now, I don't know what this card means in the book. I'm just saying what I'm feeling with the energy. Oh, wow. See? Building blocks. You're building a stronger foundation. You're building a stronger foundation for yourself. See? That's what you're working at. That's what you're doing. You took away the old and you're building a stronger foundation. Yeah, I don't feel like you have anything. Wow, this is cool. This is really cool. Wow, Pisces. This is awesome. I want to get one more card. One more card for Pisces, please. No place like home. Ah, no place like home. That's what you're working to build. Wow. No place like home. I'm just looking, Pisces, to see if I see anything else I missed. I really would like to see what that no place like home actually means. I don't really like going in the book, but I'm feeling a couple of things. Authenticity. Coming home to yourself. See? Coming home to yourself. Wow. Feeling at home, living at a place where you just fit. Being comfortable in your own skin. And look at the building blocks. She looks comfortable, right? Being comfortable in your own skin. Ace of Wands. Look at the Death. That definitely fits. Coming home. Home feels safe and secure. That's what you're building towards. It's a comfortable place to rest and create. And create. So it says that you're finding the ability to trust yourself and feel at home in your own skin is the beginning to solidify as you claim your dignity and integrity. Aspects of yourself no one can take away from you. See? Oh, I love when Spirit does that. I love it. 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 This is awesome, Pisces. So please, you're doing it. You're. That's why you're going against the current. You're fighting some heavy past traumas and stuff to release, to make this feel comfortable in yourself, with yourself, building a new foundation. And please remember that this all works in divine timing, creating and by looking at things in a different way. So with that, Pisces, I'm going to get off here. Thank you for supporting my channel. I love you guys. Please don't forget to take time to reflect and hit the thumbs up if you like the video. I love you guys. I want you guys to take care. See you later. Love and light. Bye.